How many thousand pounds worth of butter do we use a year?
Probably over about 250,000 pounds worth of butter.
Stop it. I really had no idea it was that much. That is crazy. Okay, all right, flour. How many pounds of flour?
Flour, about the same.
Really?
Yep.
There is a lot of butter in a pie. The butter to flour ratio, a lot of butter makes it better. That's crazy.
Pecans, probably close to 40 to 50,000 pounds worth of pecans.
That's a lot of nuts, y'all.
A lot of nuts.
A lot of nuts.
A lot of nuts to feed these nuts.
A lot of eggs. How many eggs do we pick up? Truckloads. Truckloads of eggs.
Truckloads of apples.
Truckloads of apples, like that we have to hand cut and peel, and truckloads of fresh fruit. Strawberries, blueberries,
Peaches.
like peaches, tons of peaches that we get locally at Dickey Farms in South Georgia. We walk in the bakery with them, and what does everybody do?
They run.
They run because you have to hand peel all of those peaches. So we love it, but I know it is hard. It's everything we do is made by hand. It's a labor of love. There's not a lot of machines back there, and you can tell the difference. You can taste the difference, and I think that's what makes us unique and sets us apart. We will never compromise on quality.